Hey, hopeful now close. Thank you very much, my very good friends. Corner Sigala is back, and I'm here to give you my 72-hour review of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 or Z Fold if you're from London. Speaking of London, I want to thank my very good friend Super Safalicious because you're such a generous guy. Because even though you have pain and anguish, you sent over the Z Fold 2, you just redirected over to me. So I just want to thank you very much for sending me this device. And I'm sure Samsung will send you another one, so it's okay. Anyway, let's talk about it. So you people have been asking me, when is the corner making his home video? This is the time, because I don't do cheap phones, okay? Cheap phones is for cheap people. I do expensive phones, okay? Sexy. Z Fold 2 is sexy. All around. Look at the front, look at the back, whole sexiness. Gang. It makes my body just feel. Anyway, first feature. This is the feature I love very well because it has two display, right? It has front and inside, okay? Because I can see myself in the front and inside. Yeah, take it. I love it, man. I just look sexy all around this phone. Honestly, Samsung, if you want an advertiser for this phone, let me advertise it for you, okay? I'm gonna give you a great advertisement. Okay. I know I'm talking about myself a little too much, but this phone has a lot of features because it's foldable. You can open it and put it in different positions. So if I'm posing and I'm just lying down on the couch and I want to take some pictures, yes, I can put it. It's just awesome. It's an awesome phone. Plus, this phone has a lot of multitasking, okay? So if I want to watch, some of my videos, I want to check out some of the news about me and check my email, I can do 3 things, maybe even 4 things at once. I want to. Sometimes I even watch Daniel's video, that very good guy who's editing all the video. Daniel, I love you, man. Make me look proud, make me look sexy, okay? But anyway, he does a very good job with that multitasking. It's very nice, and of course, you have a lot of apps. So I like the apps very well because some of the apps, take advantage like a Google Duo. When I used to make phone calls to Super Safilicious, one of my very good friends. Yes, Super Safilicious.
What are you calling me at this time?
I mean, it's only 5 p.m.
It's 5 p.m. Singana time.
Yes.
Time.
Anyway, I was calling to thank you for sending me the Galaxy Z Fold 2. It's a very sexy phone for a sexy individual like myself. Thank you. You're a very sexy person too. You're very sexy. It's okay.
Yeah, I'm not too happy about that. Postal service got me over.
It's okay.
On my phone.
It's okay. You know what? The people of Singala thanks you. My 7th wife thanks you because now I can give her the Fold 1. So that's all on you.
What about the rest of your wives? What they have?
Whoa, what is going on here? I mean, I feel like I have a coup going on in this place. But anyway, Singal is right? The displays on the Z Fold 2 are really good. The cover display, 6.3 inches, much bigger, although it's a little bit narrower in terms of feel, is a bright display and very functional, great for your usage all around. Now the internal display, 120 hertz, I mean, you saw my gaming video. It handles really well. I really like it. I enjoy the gaming experience there. Now, in terms of using it in different positions, you can. Of course, it's got different angles of use, and it's great to prop up if you're using for a video call or posing for photos like you did. I'm sorry, guys, you guys saw that. But it also lends to a lot of multitasking, so you can actually divvy up the screen in many different ways, use it for different applications, whether you're watching YouTube videos, browsing the web, and also using the maps. It lends to that because it's got that real estate quite well. And then you have, of course, the cameras. The cameras are actually pretty good. Photography is nice. My buddy Michael Josh from Gadget Matt took some photos, which I'm sharing here, and you can definitely go check out his channel though. The photos are nice. Daytime photography looks really solid. Again, you've got some really solid camera lenses from Samsung on this device. And even if you're looking at nighttime photography as well, you see some really solid photos all around. So I think there's a lot of things that a lot of people will like here with this device. In terms of battery life, I've been really impressed with what I've seen so far, but I'm just gonna hold my thoughts on that. And wait, what is going? Oh my, no! What is wrong with this guy? Why is he cutting me off? Anyway, this is my video, and I've taken control because I've paid Daniel. So he was talking about the camera, right? The camera is very fantastic, right? Takes some very solid photos. But what I like most about the camera is that I can take the photos by myself, right? So I can use the back camera to take photos of me looking very tight and sexylicious. It's great. But you know the best feature of this thing? It has wireless DeS, okay? Samsung wireless DeS, which means I can turn this big screen side into a giant trackpad, and then I can see myself on my Samsung TV. Hey, shake it! Look, you know, I love this device. It's so good, so sexy. You know, one of the marvelous things is that just this past weekend, right? I took the device, I got it early. I took the device, I went inside the jungle, and I went to do some jungle warfare. And the battery is lasting. I mean, for two screens, one outside, one inside, battery is just charging well. Although I heard it does not have it only has a 25-watt charging. It's okay. Although I'm very hungry, I need something faster. Samsung, please change that, okay? Anyway, guys, I know I'm talking a little too much, and right now I'm tired. I want to finish my drink. So I know some of you are asking, you know, should I get this Galaxy Z Fold 2? I mean, look, you can buy the phone. It's not going to make you look like Singala, okay? But, you know, I can definitely recommend it. Now, some of you are thinking, okay, maybe the Z Fold 1 is cheaper now. Yeah, it's cheaper. It's not bad. It's nice. You know, I'm going to give that to my 7th wife, as I mentioned earlier. So, you know, take it as you wish. But the Z Fold 2, says Z, I'm telling you, I like it. They gave me the gold one. Thank you, Saf. Thank you. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, Singala is back. If you want to see more Singala videos, give me a topic. I'll cover it for you. You know, if you want to talk about apps, software, you want to talk about hardware, or, you know, maybe some more open and close, you know, it is more foldable and more to do is I'll cover it all. Thank you very much, and check it out. Singala. Oh, open and close. Open and close, open and close, hey, open and close, open and close, hey, open and close. You can see my teeth. Open and close, hey.